Have you ever wondered if there are certain vegetables that can help protect your liver? There is no vegetable that can cure liver disease or reverse severe liver damage. However, there are certain vegetables that contain nutrients, natural compounds that can support healthy liver function, reduce the cell damage, what we call as oxidative stress, help lower the inflammation. If you have fatty liver disease, high cholesterol, diabetes, or simply want to help your liver to be healthy, these 5 vegetables you should not miss out. Number 5 on the list is spinach. It's one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables available. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, vitamin E, folate, plant compounds that help protect cells from this oxidative stress, which is one of the major contributors of the liver injury and also what happens in fatty liver disease. Spinach is also rich in dietary nitrates, which can also help improve the blood flow, supporting our overall metabolic health. So there is research that shows people who regularly consume leafy green vegetables, they tend to have lower risk of developing this non-alcohol related fatty liver disease. So you can add fresh spinach to salads, soups, make smoothies, or you can take it lightly sauteed. Number 4 on the list is beetroot. It is known for its deep red color, which comes from its powerful antioxidants called betalains. So these compounds help fight the inflammation in our body and the cell damage. Beetroots are also rich in nitrates that support healthy circulation. So there are some studies suggesting beetroot may even reduce the markers of liver inflammation and improve that antioxidant defense. Beetroot in the form of salads, cooked, roasted, can be an excellent addition to your meals. Remember, whole beetroots are always better choice rather than taking beetroot juice and adding sugar into it. Number 3 on the list is garlic. Garlic in our Indian culture has been valued for centuries. Modern science explains why. Garlic contains sulfur-containing compounds called allicin, along with selenium and other antioxidants. So these compounds may help activate the enzymes that are involved in the liver's natural ability of the detoxification process. So there has been various studies that has shown that consumption of garlic regularly can help people with non-alcohol related fatty liver disease. So if you combine that especially with healthy diet and regular exercise, fresh garlic provides great benefits. Simply crush, chop it, allow it to sit for a few minutes before cooking so that you can preserve its beneficial compounds. Second on the list is broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most researched vegetables as far as liver health is concerned. So it belongs to this cruciferous vegetable family. So like cabbage, cauliflower. So these are all like Brussels sprouts. So they're all cruciferous vegetables. When broccoli is chopped or chewed, it forms a compound called sulforaphane. This sulforaphane helps activate the body's own, it's like an antioxidant defense system. So it supports the normal liver purification, the detoxification pathway. There are small studies suggesting that broccoli may even help reduce fat accumulation in the liver, which is of course excellent for people with fatty liver disease. So improve the overall liver health. Steam broccoli lightly, but don't overcook it. So because this helps preserve most of its beneficial nutrients. So aim to include broccoli in your meals at least twice a week. The number 1 food is a bitter gourd, Karela. It has been used in traditional Indian diet for generations. There is modern research now suggesting bitter gourd contains antioxidant plant compounds that can help improve the blood sugar control, reduce the cell damage, oxidative stress. So this is important because conditions like diabetes, insulin resistance are very closely linked to fatty liver disease. Bitter gourd Karela is also a good source of vitamin C, fiber, and other beneficial phytonutrients that can support our overall metabolic health. So we need, of course, high quality studies to confirm its direct effect on the liver, but including bitter gourd as part of the balanced diet can certainly help support liver health by improving your metabolic function. So people many of them don't like to eat Karela because of its bitterness. So you can add a little bit of salt or prepare it with some spices, onions, tomatoes, and garlic. Avoid deep frying. Excessive oil can reduce its overall health benefits. Remember, liver is one of the hardest organs that works every day. Every day it's processing nutrients, filtering toxins, producing proteins that supports hundreds of important functions. So there is no single superfood that can help improve the liver damage overnight. But these vegetables are highly beneficial. They work best as part of your overall healthy lifestyle, maintaining a good body weight, exercising, cutting out sugar, and eating different types of fibers, some various vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains. If you are consistently having these vegetables on regular basis, this can certainly go a long way to support the long-term liver health. Please do share it with friends, family who might be looking for specific updates about improving their liver health. Thank you for listening.